What's up guys, Shine here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of the new Redmi Note 10 Pro. We have the phone in Glacier Blue, and it's the 6GB and 128GB storage variant. This version of the phone goes for 44,000 in Pakistan, and it is hands down one of the best phones you can buy for that price. So without further ado, let's get into unboxing the phone. It comes with a 3-year warranty in the box, and it's a white box. It has the phone on the front. Not the cleanest looking box that I've ever seen, but the packaging is fine so far. Let's cut this top layer off. Alright, so now let's open up the box. On top we have this little pamphlet that says designed by Redmi. Inside we have the SIM ejector tool, a little bit of a documentation, and a case. It has a textured inside. It's glossed out. Looks nice. So let's put this to the side and let's get a look at the phone. The phone's right beneath. It comes in Glacier Blue. It has all the main specs on top, like a 108 megapixel quad camera, 120Hz 6.7-inch dot display, Snapdragon 732G, and 33-watt fast charging. Let's get this section off of it, and this is how it looks. Let's get the sticker off as well. And this is how the Glacier Blue looks. It looks very nice. It has a little bit of a pink to it. It reminds me a lot of the Glacier Blue of the Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Lite. So let's turn it on and put this phone to the side while it's turning on. Underneath you have this little holder for the phone, and below that you have a 33-watt fast charger. It's like the Poco one with the orange over there, and you have a charging cable, Type-C. You have a Type-C charging cable. Alright, so I'm just gonna quickly set this up and then we'll cut back to see how it looks. Alrighty, now that we have the phone all set up, let's just go through all the different things that it has to offer. Firstly, we're downloading all of the different apps. You have the Google Discovery feed, the app drawer with all the different, where it groups different apps. And before we end, let's just take a quick camera sample. It's worth to note that MIUI 12.5 has been released for this phone, and the update is being downloaded right now as we speak. So let's just take a quick picture. Alrighty then, and it looks nice and sharp. Nothing to complain about. I will be doing a camera comparison between this and the Poco F3, which will come out in a couple of days, as well as a speed test between the two. So stay tuned for that. Anyways guys, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe. Peace.